How to connect Pixelverse to MetaMask. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Telegram and go for the Pixelverse. Then you need to click on wallet on the top right of your screen, and then you're gonna need to search for your MetaMask. So right now MetaMask is not on your Pixelverse. So what you need to do is to click on others, and the next step will going to be opening up your MetaMask. And as they have suggested, you need to simply go for the USDT ERC20. So simply head over to your particular MetaMask, and right now as you can see, we don't have any USDT network right on this place. So what you need to do is to simply click on this add network, and then you need to make sure to go for the custom network on the top right, and you need to add the particular USDT network. And once you have added the USDT network, you can simply go for it, and then make sure to select ERC20, and then you just gonna need to paste the deposit address, and you are good to go. You will need to simply click on the connect option, and your MetaMask will be going to be connected to your Pixelverse. So hope this helped. This is how you can connect Pixelverse to MetaMask.